Hello, grade 2. How are you? I hope you are happy and safe. Our lesson today is lesson number 5 from chapter 6, Regroup Tens to add. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to regroup tens if needed when we add two-digit numbers. Let's start with this story. My town has 163 stop signs. There are also 181 street lights. Amazing! How many stop signs and street lights does my town have? Write the number sentence. What do you think, grade 2? How can we find the answer? Yes, we have to add 163 to 181. Let's model this problem using 10 base blocks. The first number is 163. To model this number, we need 100 block. And 6 tens, here they are, and 3 ones, here they are. Let's see the second number. The second number is 181. So we need 100, 8 tens, and 1 one. Here they are. Now, to add these two numbers, we have to add ones. Here we have 3 ones, and here we have 1 one. So 3 plus 1 equals 4. Since we don't have 10 or more than 10 ones, we don't have to regroup ones. But what about tens? Here we have 6 tens and here we have 8 tens. So 8 plus 6 equals 14. So we have to regroup. So we will add these 4 tens to these 6 tens to make 100. Just like this. Interesting. So now, what do you think, grade 2? How many hundreds do we have? Yes, we have 3 hundreds. And how many tens? Yes, we have 4. And 4 ones. So the sum is 344. Now let's solve another example. Find 375 plus 462. Let's solve this problem using the place value chart. The first number is 375. So we will write 3 in the hundreds place, 7 in the tens place, and 5 in the ones place. The second number is 462. Now let's add ones as usual. 5 plus 2 equals 7. Since we have less than 10 ones, we don't have to regroup. We have only one digit. It's 7. But what about tens? Here we have 7 plus 6. 7 plus 6 is 13. So we cannot write here number 13. We have to regroup. So we write here number 3 and 1 400. We regroup 10 tens as 100. And now 100 plus 300 equals 4 plus 4 equals 800. So the answer is 837. Now let's solve the question number 1. We have 243 plus 385. As always, we have to start with ones. 3 plus 5 equals 8. Since we have only one digit, so we don't have to regroup. Or we have less than 10 ones. The second step is to add tens. 4 plus 8 equals 12. We have more than 10 ones, so we have to regroup. We will write here number 2, and here we write 1 or hundreds. Now 1 plus 2 equals 3, and 3 plus 3 equals 6. So the sum is 628. So please, grade 2, be sure to write these answers in your book. Now let's solve the question number 9. We have 363 plus 281. As usual, we will start adding ones. 3 plus 1 is 4. We don't have to regroup. 6 plus 8 equals 14. We have to regroup. So 4 for tens and 1 for hundreds. 1 plus 3 equals 4, and 4 plus 2 equals 6. So the sum is 644. Let's solve the question number 14. 382 plus 51, a 3-digit number and 2-digit number. 2 plus 1 equals 3. 80 plus 5 equals 13. We have to regroup again. So 3 here and 1 for hundreds. 1 plus 3 equals 4. So the sum is 433. Now it's your turn in grade 2. So please try to solve these questions by yourself, and then when you finish, you can check your answers here. Let's solve problem number 18. There are 156 men and 163 women at the town meeting. How many people came to the meeting? What do you think of grade 2? Yes, we have to add 156 to 163. Again, we have to start with adding ones. 6 plus 3 equals 9. We don't have to regroup. 5 plus 6 equals 11. So we have to regroup. 1 here and 1 here. 1 plus 1 is 2, and 2 plus 1 equals 3. So the answer is 319. And now it's your turn in grade 2. So please try to solve these questions by yourself, and then when you finish, you can check your answers here. The next page is your homework grade 2. So please try to solve it by yourself, and then when you finish, you can check your answers here. This is page number 382. It's the end of grade 2. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.